Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Tombliboos and I are going to look at the Sort and Learn Pinky Ponk from In the Night Garden. Hello Tombliboos! Tombliboo! Tombliboo! Watch while we have some fun and learn the shapes and colors. Let's open up the Pinky Ponk. First we have the Tombliboos on a red triangle. There you are, Tombliboos, on the block. And look, we have an orange square for Iggle Piggle. And a yellow star for Makka Pakka. And, oh dear, poor Upsy Daisy's picture has been ripped off. She is a blue circle. Sorry, Upsy Daisy. Let's turn on our Pinky Ponk and put on the lid.
Let's go on a music journey. Can you find Upsy Daisy? Yes, it's Upsy Daisy. Well done. All aboard the Pinky Ponk.
And that is our Sort and Learn Pinky Ponk. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Today the princesses have come to meet one of Ariel's mermaid friends. Here she comes now.
Why, hello there. I'm Pearl, the mermaid.
Pearl has a yellow starfish clip in her hair, and her hair is purple and pink. Let's show all the princesses your special treasure. These are all the treasures Pearl collects from shipwrecks under the sea. Pearl's friend, the pink seahorse, loves to ride the golden shell swing. let's head upstairs and see Pearl's bedroom. Pearl loves to read, and she loves to learn. She likes to learn her letters and her numbers. Pearl painted her walls a beautiful aqua color, just like the color of the sea.
Wow, let's explore this place.
Here's another room with books and toys. Let's go up, up, up. And you'll see the seahorse and Pearl. They're about to go for a ride on the turtle and stingray. Pearl also likes to collect shells from the ocean.
Oh, wow, it's amazing.
The only way down is on the water slide. And time for the show.
I could play in the water all day long.
Pearl loves to play in the water with her friend the dolphin. It looks like Kitty came to watch the show too. Hi, Kitty. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please help support our channel by subscribing and pushing the link below. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. La 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 la. Hey, look, Tiny fans, it's Dipsy. Hello, Dipsy. Ayo, ayo. Dipsy, do you want to read a fun Teletubbies story with me today? Yeah. Look behind you, Dipsy. Oh, we have a colorful, musical, light-up VTECH book, but we need to turn it on. Can you turn the switch on? Oh, the button doesn't work, Dipsy. Let's turn it around. And there's a little black switch. Just push it up. There we go.
Story time is lots of fun. Let's join in with everyone. Tinky Winky, Lala too. Dipsy, Poe and you. Time for Teletubbies.
Big hug.
Over the hill, 1, 2. Teletubbies are here. Let's say hello. There's Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala and Poe. Say hello, Teletubbies.
Ring, ring. What's that? It's the Tubby phone. But who is calling the Teletubbies at home?
Bye-bye, Teletubbies. It was time for Tubby Custard. Tubby Custard is very yummy. Hop on board and fill your tummy. Ready?
The sun is setting in the sky. It's time for the Teletubbies to say goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye to Dipsy, Poe, Lala, and Tinky Winky.
Bye-bye, Teletubbies. Bye-bye.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we are having fun at the Sweet Surprise Treat Shop. Hello. Oh, well, my customer should be coming soon. I better go put out the sign. Okay, just take it over here. Perfect. I can't wait till my first customer comes. Daisy Doo! Oh, hello, Upsy Daisy. Would you like to take a look at our sign today? Upsy Daisy, yes! I love ice cream and I have so many specials today. First of all, we have a yummy banana split that is meant for 3 people, which is $10. Then we have a yummy strawberry parfait that is $8, and it's probably good for you since you're on your own today. Then we have a chocolate lava ice cream bowl, which is $6, mostly meant for 2 people. And last but not least, we have a yummy lemon milkshake. That's $4. Sounds wonderful, Daisy Doo! I'm going to show you inside the shop now. Oh, but before we do that, I have 2 more specials today. There is the yummy 4-scoop ice cream cone, which has lemon, raspberry, grape, and chocolate, and a cherry on the top. Then we have a yummy chocolate fudge ice cream bar. Sounds good, Daisy Doo! This is my sweet shop. Lovely! Let me show you my flavoring machine. We have the flavors of grape, blueberry, winter mint, watermelon, lemon, orange, and cherry. Yummy, yummy, Daisy Doo! And over here we have some gumballs and fresh chocolate chip cookies. My shop has everything from ice cream to cakes to pies to cupcakes. Oh dear, are you all right? Yes, Daisy Doo. Oh dear. Like I was saying, everything here is made with organic ingredients and homemade. Sounds wonderful, Daisy Doo. Perhaps you would like an ice cream cone or maybe a cupcake? Would you like to place an order? Yes, Daisy Doo. All right, I'll meet you at the front. All right, Daisy Doo. Daisy Doo. Ice cream bar. Daisy Doo. Me like this. The ice cream bar? Well, that's a great choice. I will get it right away. Here you are. $3, please. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to have a look at an old toy that makes lots of sounds called the VTECH Little Smart Schoolyard. We're going to school today, so here's the classroom where the alphabet is. We have the yellow school bus. There's the school entrance. Hello. We have the numbered shapes and the show and tell with our pets. Now, how do you think we turn it on? There's a red button, a yellow button, and a green button. Red means stop. Yellow means slow down or yield. Green means go. I think the power is the green button.
Hello, time to go to school. Choose a button.
Before we go to school, we hop on the school bus. Let's spin the red dial.
Hello. Choose a button. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. Choose a button.
Sleep is very important to feel good for school. Let's go inside.
Where is the letter A?
Let's go to the classroom.
Yes, you are right. This is the letter A.
Elmo's excited to start school today. Show us how you spell your name, Elmo.
This is the letter E. This is the letter L. This is the letter M. This is the letter O.
Great
Bye-bye.
job, Elmo. You spelled your name right. Now, what is my favorite shape, Tiny Fans?
2.
It's a heart. Time for show and tell.
Hello.
Someone brought their yellow bird. And a dog. And their pet cat. Time to head home. The bell has rung and school is over. Elmo and Cookie Monster can't wait to go home for a yummy snack. Let's get on the school bus. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with our Twirly-Woos toys and our Food Fun ABC fridge. And we have all of these letters with pictures of foods and letters. Let's open the fridge. There are 3 buttons: foods, colors, and letters. I see lots of fruits and vegetables. Then we have our breads and grains, meat and fish, milk and dairy, and then fats and sweets. And you know I love to have a little sweet once in a while, after my fruits and vegetables, of course. I'm going to have my favorite orange candy today. Have the letter A for apple. Let's put it on our Food Fun fridge and see what happens.
This is a red apple.
Great Big Who loves vegetables, especially green broccoli.
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Chickadee loves a nice juicy orange. O for orange.
Put in a food piece. Orange. Learn foods with me.
Chick loves to eat nuts, like almonds, cashews, and peanuts.
Eat plenty of vegetables. Nuts.
Peekaboo loves a nice big bowl of rice. So do my kids. And they put yeast flakes on to add some flavor.
Rice.
Don't forget to stay hydrated and drink water every single day. I avoid using plastic water bottles. They aren't good for the earth. Instead, I have my rainbow metallic reusable water bottle. Keeps my water cold and it tastes so good. We better shut the fridge. We don't want to waste any energy.
Bye.
Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Don't forget, look for the Dora backpack somewhere in the video. You can go back and have a look. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Zoe Zebra and Rebecca Rabbit have a gift for their friend Peppa. It's Peppa's birthday today. Peppa, what did your friends get you? It's the Let's Chat learning phone. Ooh, look at all of the buttons. And it comes with 6 activities, featuring your favorite Peppa Pig characters. You can talk to the family, and there's a voice activation so you can chat with Peppa. Let's turn the phone on. Do you know where the power button is? It's right here.
Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. Press left or right to choose, then press enter. Muddy puddles. Leaf collection. Counting on. George's balloons. Settings. Muddy puddles. Muddy puddles. We love jumping in muddy puddles. Tell us how many times we jump. Press the correct number. 2. Hooray! Tell us how many times we jump. Press the correct number. 1. Wow! Tell us how many times we jump. Press the correct number. 3. You've got a message. Dinosaur. Press left or right to choose, then press enter. Muddy puddle.
I wonder what all of these buttons do. You can only find out by pushing them.
Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. Can you call me?
2, 4, 6, 8. I called Peppa.
Leave a message after the beep.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. Can you call?
Let's turn the phone off and have some fun on the slide. Power off.
Bye, friends.
Bye-bye, Peppa.
Bye-bye, friends.
Outside time on the slide. Zoe Zebra is first, then Rebecca Rabbit, and last is Peppa Pig. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. I found this VTECH 2-in-1 racetrack at a second-hand store, and I thought it would be fun to race these two cars down this blue track. There's a 1 spot and a 2 spot, and on go they race down, and only one car fits through the finish line. I will begin by turning it on. And it lights up. Red for stop, green for go. Up on the ramp, and up, up, up.
Vehicle on the platform. Please put a vehicle on the...
The red car will go in the number 2 spot today. The yellow car gets up on the ramp. What spot does it go in? The number 1 spot. We need to make sure the wheels are on tight.
Tighten the wheels with the wrench.
They're at the start line. Start is S-T-A-R-T. And when I say go, I'm going to push this green flag down and both cars will take off onto the racetrack. Ready, set, go! Uh-oh, the yellow car has ran into the back of the red car. Car racing can be quite dangerous. That's why the drivers wear helmets and special seat belts. Luckily, this time both drivers are okay, and there wasn't any damage to the cars either. They're going to do their race one more time. This time, the red car will go in the spot number 1, and the yellow will go in number 2. Okay, drivers, on your marks. Get set, go! Who crossed the finish line first, Tiny fans? The yellow car is the winner. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to have a look at the Spin and Discover in the Night Garden gazebo. As you can see, there's characters all around the gazebo. Here's Iggle Piggle with his red blanket. Say hi to Upsy Daisy. And there is Makapaka, and he's standing on some blue stones. Let's switch our gazebo on.
Green. Green. Orange. Purple. What a colourful garden! Look-y daisy!
Macka packa, acka wacka, nicka macka moo. Backa packa, appa yakka, nicka acka oo. Dum packa pan, in and oo. Macka packa, acka wacka, nicka macka moo.
Round and round. One, two, three. Spin the gazebo round. Round and round. One, Tombliboo. Two, Tombliboos. Three, Tombliboos.
Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.